guys, so this Hey guys, so this is gonna be a weird one because your boy here is such a fucking idiot that he actually ran out of hard drive space when he was recording this run that I'm doing. Because I'm a pleb and I forgot I was deleting all my bad runs because I've been recording every run and there's a lot of runs. So I forgot to delete the bad runs from the recycle bin. So it still counts as hard drive space, and I ran out of space. That's funny how much of a pleb I am. So, because this run I'm on, it's a Hellhorned run, and it's actually going really well. I still want to record it. So, if by some miracle I do beat rank 23 with Hellhorned, then it's half a run recorded, but at least it's recorded, because that would be a miracle. Even though Hellhorned is buffed and it feels much better. Yeah, it's still not easy. So I wanna have this on record. So if it does happen, this is gonna be a weird video, but whatever. Okay, so where were we? We need removal because this deck has a million armor. I have an armor artifact as well, right? So this deck has a million armor. Armor. These guys all have armor. And these guys are hugely upgraded as well. They cost 3, but they have a lot of armor. So basically, I'm never healing. Ever. So I need to remove the train guys and the heals as well. I need to do a lot of removal. I don't have money for an artifact. I don't need to heal anyway. So, yeah, I need to remove. So, the last one. And then start with the regens. Also, I have this now. I got the flower, so my purge cards have consumed, and I have this. Oh, I can kill a creature for 0. Any creature, except a boss. This doesn't matter. Actually, it's a shame I can't buy this, but this is amazing. Oh, this would be really good as well. That'd be amazing. It'd be 9 armor. So this is really good. Get this if you can. Especially early on, when the units have 2 health, they die from moving floors. It's amazing. Okay, and here we have... Yeah, sure. Health. Actually, this isn't bad. Because it makes the torches do 5 damage. Oops. So my torches now do 5 damage, and 5 damage does kill the... And this as well. Does kill the later smaller guys with 5 health. And 6 health. Yeah, that's good. And we're good. This is awful. This is a shit floor, that's perfect. I didn't want to set up here anyway. Because of the boss. I didn't want to set up there. I want to set up here. Here and here. This is the best tank. I have him with the health upgrade as well. The other one doesn't. So you go here. My slay guy goes here. I can put one of the armor imps here for more armor on this guy. Perfect. And I can kill 2 of these. I mean, yeah, I was gonna say, I don't want to kill 2, I want to kill 1 only, so he gets the slay bonus. But that's damage I'm gonna take unnecessarily. Let's not be silly. The slay bonus when it comes, whatever. If it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay, so I can do. Oh, this is buffed as well because of this. 0 damage 8. 8 damage 0. So I'm sorry. Okay, so this is good. I'm gonna hit this one. He goes to the back, and this one goes to the front. I mean, I don't even have to lose any. It's one of the resolve guys, so he's gonna be behind this one. Yeah, let's start build here because I want I want shit here, even though it's a shit floor, for the boss. I need to start building here as well. So, what's the best play here? I want to kill this. He's gonna be dazed, so he's gonna go here. And he dies. Lol. I can save him. And I hope I get the other guy here. Because I really wanted the money. I could kill this one as well, but I really want the money. Yeah, and this... Oh, at least I can use this for one regen. Lol. Better than nothing. You guys see armor. Ooh. Okay, okay, we have stings. And we have the other tank here, the weaker one. That's perfect. And then we're gonna get stings and kill all of this shit. Yep. And then you go here. Yep. And you get armor. Yep. And I'm not gonna slay you. Oh, actually, I am gonna slay you. But I want this damage on this guy. 50 damage. Yeah. For sure. Oh, not 50 damage. Damn it. Okay. It doesn't even get hit. It gets reduced to 35. So ideally, or I can just kill him. Lol. LOL. Ha! This is amazing. There. Problem solved. Okay, so I can't use the imp here. I can use him here though. Imp for armor. And I can blow him up. Oh, but I can blow him up now. No. Oh, whatever. I can do it on the boss if it comes. And here, what can we do here? Kill one. Whatever. Give him armor. Kill the other one. Whatever. And, oh well. Boss is next. I can put him here, so I guess I'll put it on this guy. And him, he's gonna die. And he can get healed. And yeah, and more. Yeah. And whatever. Got slay bonus. Okay, so we want to kill these guys. So you use as many stacks as possible. This for sure. Kill one. Okay, so if he takes damage, that means he's gonna use all his stacks. That's what we want. That's what we want. So you go to get the armor, and then a random sting for the draw, and then this, whatever. Yeah, we just wanted this to so he eats all the stacks. This is a really bad boss. Yeah, okay. He lost all his stacks and now he dies. Yeah, of course. I can even blow up my imp. I can... Don't do this. No. Buff my guy. Well, armor here. He doesn't even die. Do this. And not this as well. Torch. Cool. Cool. Inferno. But I have like a million units. Rage is always good. Cost 0. I got my champion. This could be really good as well. Like that straggler that got up there that I killed. I could have killed with this as well. Inferno is only good, but it's too expensive though. Like for those floors where I don't put anything. But I have a lot of units this time. This is 0. This could be really good, but it can be useless as well. This is never useless, but it's only 3. But it's good on the champion though. Oh, let's get the rage, let's get the rage. And then here, no, no, I guess this. Buy 3 next time, it's really good. Okay, so more removal. Okay, so I can heal, copy. I don't really want to copy anymore. I do want to remove the regens and upgrade my spells, maybe? Upgrade what? This already costs 0. I could make this 0, I guess. Because these are useless. Make this 0 as well. Give these guys the damage and consume, for example. Yeah, I guess. Because I really need to. These are literally useless on this deck. It's wasted cards that I'm getting on my draw. And here I can heal. Copy. I have 2 of these, and they're way too big. So it's good already. I don't want more. What point is it having them if I can use them? And the rest, not so much. I mean, I can copy this. I can copy this. Is copying that worth more than removing the regens? I think it is. I forgot that card. Because it has consume instead of the purge. That might be really good to have too. Especially later on. Because my spells I don't really need upgrades. This is only for the removal. I can handle with the regens for now. I can try and remove regens with money later. Yeah. Fuck it. This is too good. Yep. Not this one. This one, so everyone gets 5 damage. It's +1 for every blight. I have 2 blight already in the deck, so that's 5 damage on everyone. Oof. I mean, it's good. I mean, it's good on everyone. It would have 30. Even the imps would have damage. I get even more useless cards though. It's really risky. And this is 100 damage for 3, basically, to the front unit. I've never used this. It's not bad. I mean, it's 100 damage for 3. Kinda tempted. That might actually be better than this. This is good, but at least I can get rid of the cards on this one. And it's 100 damage are gonna probably kill most guys. Let's try it. Let's try it and... Fuck. Sorry. Let's try it and ruin the run. I just ruined the run. Oh well. My half run, because he didn't see the first half. It's 107 and 3 damage because I have the magic power. Okay. This is bad. I only have 3 mana. Yep, I only have 3 mana. This is already bad. This is a shit floor. So we end up build here and here. This is a weaker tank, but it's all I have for now. I don't want to risk it. Even more armor. Kill this thing so I don't get the cards. Or take damage. I'm gonna take a lot of damage on this run from those cards. Oh, he came as well. Oh well. Oh well. I can only kill 1, I'm gonna take a card. Well, whatever. Yep. Oh, this sucks. I mean, the only thing here, he's gonna go here and almost die, or die actually. 9, 10, 6, and die. So he's useless here. I might as well use this. I'll take the 3 damage and use the buff. I'll use this and take the buff. Yeah. I'll take this one and he's gonna give you another one. Whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna lose a lot of health on this one. Because of those guys. Yep. Here's 100 damage. So this is 6 damage. I can kill this shit. Use this. I don't want to waste these on... I can keep this. Oh, it's 0 cost as well. I can kill one of these big guys. Yeah. So he's gonna kill these two with double two strike and get a bunch of stacks. I can do 3 and 0 and take the 3 damage. Get rid of this. Yeah. Yeah. And kill one of these guys. Yeah. Yeah, this is good. Another one. This doesn't die. Huh. Yes, it does. Lol. Here's the other one. Or with this as well. Yeah, I can kill a full health one. Yeah. I don't want more damage on my core. I'm gonna take the damage on the core. I can kill another one. I can kill this with 0. I don't want unnecessary damage. He doesn't have a lot of armor on this one. So yeah. Let's kill him. Let's get some rage on my guy. And he has to get the stings. He's gonna die. So, just so I draw the cards. Yep. Oof, that's a lot of damage on him. Fuck me. We can go imp here for armor. Imp here for armor. Now I can use imp on whatever floor. Kill this shit. Get the draw next turn. Get the armor on him. Yep. And restore. As usual, restore is pointless. Huh, I never ran an armor deck before. This is fun. I mean, this is pointless now. Oof. You know what? I have to get rid of this. I have to get rid of this. Oh, the damage on the champion, Jesus Christ. Okay. I mean, whatever. Actually, fuck him. Do 100 damage. More armor. Sting. So I should do 8 damage on my guy. He has no sweep. So right, that's the play. I lose a bunch of armor, but oh yeah, for sure, for sure. Oh, he does die. Fuck. That's bad. I thought he would die. I thought he would die. He doesn't die. Okay. Whew, fuck me. That was closer than I thought it would be. That was actually closer than I thought it would be. So much armor. Okay, now we get mana for sure. Oh, quick on the champion. Wait, Quicken Champion ruins the combo though. But it's still better. It could be good as well. It's expensive. Mana for sure. Oh, here's my removal. More money. Or artifact. I can get removal with money as well. I have 4 though, for fuck's sake. I don't want to upgrade my spells though, this is a waste. We'll get some removal with money, hopefully. More stings. Ooh, this could be really good for the armor imps. So it's 30 armor. Yes. Okay, we can purge 1 probably. 5 and 10. 5 and 10 on the big one. I'd rather have more health though. Because these guys are kind of useless. Yeah, I'll give them the attack. They're gonna be in the back, and they have armor from just not dying every turn. Well, back down there they die. Yeah. 10 attack. On you. No, on you. Yeah. And then reroll. Purge, reroll. I'll purge once for sure. Do I want to purge another one? Instead of this? Yes. 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 And then this. Well, at least this is 5 damage now. Actually kills stuff. I don't have money for this. No. No, it's this one. It's direct damage. With 5 damage it's better. And champion? So... I think I prefer this one, to be honest. So he gets multi-strike 2, but that's 25 more damage, sure. But it's actually really bad for that boss, that armor boss. If I get him, it's gonna give him a bunch of stacks. That actually fucked me once. I think I prefer this one and get like a huge slay bonus. I think I prefer this one. Yeah. Oh, it wasn't him. Oh well. Okay, shit floor here. These guys have a lot of damage. I can kill one. I can kill both of them. I have 4 mana. 4 mana and 0. I have the worst tank though. That's a shame. Not, you know what I mean. Yeah, I won't get slay bonus, but these guys have too much damage. Yeah. I can even give him more armor. With this, and with this it's gonna be 1,000,000 armor. 1919. And then kill one. And kill the other one. Yes, this is a play. Okay. Then this random guy can blow up the imp as well. Let's kill all these guys. These guys are really dangerous. And then we're gonna go... He's gonna push him to the back. We'll do damage on this one. That's what we want. They have so much health though. You don't die. So you can go. You can get here. You won't die. And then get the cards. Get the money. I think so. Yes. I don't want to blow this because this doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah. So this setup phase until I can kill these guys, it's rough, but whatever. This goes here. This doesn't matter. Oh, but he's gonna be pushed. He's gonna die from one hit, whatever. I can kill this. I still have 3 mana. I can kill this with this. And 0 cost. Yeah, 0 cost kills this. Perfect. Yes. That's the play. So kill this one. Yes, he has 89 health. And then 0 cost, kill this one. Yeah. This gets 10 damage, whatever. This doesn't matter. And this... Well, he gets the damage, whatever. I can even kill it. I can kill it. It still gives me the damage. And armor on heal. Oh, I can't do this one. Okay. So many. Okay, so quick on my guy. Quick on my guy kills these two. I got a bunch of slay bones. Then he pushes this one back. Yeah, I can't. I'm gonna have to take this one. Oh, I'm gonna lose a lot. I'm gonna lose a lot like this. These I can't do anything about. I can kill one. Actually, I can kill the barrier one. Kill the barrier one. Quick on my guy. My guy kills these two. He kills one of these after the attack. It's better than nothing. I think that's the better play. This, whatever, and this. Oh, stings. Perfect. So one sting. Kill this. Okay, wait. So. Okay, I think we do this on him. And then we do a quick. And it's sting. Sting. Quick on my guy. Nothing. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that was fair. Yeah, great. And I still have this to consume. I kind of want to consume it, but no, this doesn't matter. This is gonna die. Yeah, let's keep it. Let's keep it. Let's keep it. Perfect. Okay. Rage on my guy. Armor on this one. This is useless. Use this to get cards next. Restores are useless, and this. This time I can't do much. My guy will kill this one and this one. Well, not this one. My guy will kill this one and hit this one. How does this die? That's weird. How come this dies? Oh, from the 96 damage, and then him hits it. He doesn't even put it back. This is gonna escape with a lot of health, and this as well. This dies from whatever. If I do this on him, which is a waste, my guy kills this one. It's same shit. Same shit. That nothing changes. Yeah, I'm gonna take a big hit here. Fuck. That's unfortunate. Yeah. Oh well. Might as well do this. It's the boss next. Then do this for money. I think I'm gonna torch my guy. So I can put a new one in here. For the armor. And then... This doesn't matter. How come he lost health? I hope he... I don't know, man. If he gets through here, this is not a lot. I guess my guy gets the buff for more damage. And then a sting to draw. And that's it. Okay, this is a problem. I need to kill this. Oh, okay. Oof. I got lucky there. I got lucky there. Those guys were fucking me. Whatever. You can finally be played. And you can blow up. And I can heal this guy. Poor guy. More armor, for sure. And then here, more stings. Cost 0. Last floor. Well, I did get to the last floor with red, so that's cool. The last removal and the last upgrades. Or more money for a trinket, or another copy. I mean, I could copy the kill card again. Copy the kill card and heal. Keep the thingies. Yes. Yes. Wait. What's here? Rage of Decay. Okay. So when I kill a unit with those purges, those consumes take 30 damage. Not a lot. This could be really good though, because I'm getting more stings now. Is it worth it for the 6 things I get? It's 20 something damage. It's a lot of damage. For 0. I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. Oh, too late now. I could have gotten a double stack on like an armor thing. I know. I think that's better. Okay. Shit floor there. I have the big one at least. It kills him. That sucks. I'm gonna take 3. Whatever. 15, sorry, not 3. Can I reduce this? No. I think I'd rather do this now on this guy, so he's much lower here. Because these guys are kind of shit. They need to go behind something. I think that's a better play. And put him in later. I think that's a better play. He kills both. Okay. This is a huge issue. This is the Ember Drain, so fuck you. Alright, here's the other guy. And I can kill all of these with the stings. Perfect. Yep. This guy has armor, whatever. I can't even heal him. Lol. He lost all his armor. Okay. I can kill these two. Lol. I might want to as well. Okay, so this kills this for 0. This kills this for 0. Can I kill this one? I can with this. Kind of a waste though. I have 4 mana. I can actually do this and this. I could still do everything. Huh. And then kill these two with these things. So I can build up some armor on this guy. He doesn't lose anything. Yeah, I think that's the plan. So kill this. Give him armor. And kill these two. And then more armor. So he's healthy for the boss later. Yeah. This is an issue. This goes here for sure. So I'm gonna get Ember Drained. I can't do anything about that. I can kill this one. Get my stings. I have to use them anyway, so sting, sting, sting. And then he's gonna get pushed back. He's gonna take 93 times 2. He almost dies. Now he dies. Perfect. Yeah. This Ember Drain is a pain in the ass, but... I do have a lot of 0 cost cards. Use this. Okay, so if I use Quick on my guy, the first one dies, because it's the same thing. He's gonna get pushed back and this one dies, so Quick on my guy for sure. Because for the future, for the boss it's better to have Quick on him. And then it's either armor, Rage on my guy. This doesn't, I don't need any more money. So I think giving, so, well, this armor is it goes away with this guy, so it's better to kill this guy. Yeah, kill this guy. Yeah, and he loses 10. Perfect. I'm still healthy. That's fine. Okay, so my guy kills this one first. That's perfect. So he doesn't Ember Drain me. These guys, whatever. I have plenty of health. Here's my imp again. Perfect for the armor. Then 2 mana. Kill one. Kill the other. This is gonna go through. Whatever. And then buy cards. Next turn. This guy. I'm fine. I'm healthy. The boss should be coming soon, I think. And a sting. I can even kill this guy with a sting. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. We can finally catch these guys here. 2015. 2015. He has rage, so this dies. Great. This one. Oof. That one is actually a problem. He got away with almost all his health. Okay. I have stings though. So both of these die. Look at his fucking damage. Jesus Christ. What is the best play here? Armor on him for sure. I want to kill this guy. He's gonna die. Can I do 28, 28, 28? That's almost 90. 90, that's 80, 86, 84 or something. It puts him quite low. So at least he doesn't hit this so much. I think that's a better play. It's still 2. Oh well. I have 3 mana. You can go here. He doesn't die. 2 mana. I can kill this and this. Maybe that's a better play. And he takes more damage than healing this for just like yeah. Kill this. Kill this. And my guy actually kills this too. What the fuck? And he get... Does he? No, he doesn't. He doesn't. He only kills this one. Yeah, he takes more damage. That's better. He gets more slay bonus. Here we go. Here we go. It's... Okay, so let's kill this. Doesn't change much. Armor. Can I get this low enough so he kills him on the first hit? 173. I can't. 176. 176. It would need 14 damage. I can do this. Yeah, this is better than the torches, for sure. And then he dies. He takes the second hit. Oh, so close. Armor. Wait, so let's do some math. He's gonna die here anyway. But let's do some math. So he has 30 damage. So 30, 60, 90, 120. How much he has? 30, 60, 90 goes away with the armor goes away. Wait, 10 here as well. 10 here as well. So he has 78 armor. 30, 60, he has 18 left. 90, he starts taking the damage here. 10, 10. I think armor on him actually survives one more hit, I think. On him, he doesn't for sure. Yes, I think. He doesn't. Fuck! Oops! Oh well. Oh well. How come I... Oh yeah. But he's dead. Yep, well I guess this is... Ooh, he almost killed that shit. I guess this is like a weird half run, but yeah, I need to upload it. It's my rank up, so... That's it, rank 24. Rank 24 with Hellhorned. Cool. Well, it's a huge bummer that it's only half the video, or half the run, but it is what it is. I still want to have it up. So, yeah, there you go. I guess the Hellhorn buffs are real. Because that was, yeah. Cool. Thanks for watching, if you do. Sorry that it's only half a video. Shit happens, I guess. Yeah, that's it. I guess I'll see you guys for rank 25, hopefully. Okay, bye.